get you the update. Well, viewers, the new Income Tax Bill 2025 is all set to be introduced in the Parliament today, and it will replace the nearly 6-decade-old Income Tax Act 1961, unlike the direct tax code proposals, which aimed at a complete tax overhaul. Now, this bill largely focuses on the ease of taxpayer. So let's tell you how this is going to affect you and how you as a taxpayer are going to be affected. As per sources, the new income tax bill is shorter, it's simple, and it does not have any jargons. My colleague Tejshri continues to stay live with us. Tejshri, sources say the new income tax bill has included virtual digital assets, also called cryptocurrencies, in the category of undisclosed income. What are the details of the changes that it could bring about?
Well, yes, you see this new, in fact, bill that will be introduced. In fact, yes, what we are getting to know, as you have rightly mentioned, that this will be including more aspects of digital, and in fact, not just that, but several new changes will also be made in this bill. But yes, today, in fact, we'll have to see that what happens in the Parliament. In fact, will there be a showdown on the Waqf bill, and in fact, post that, this particular bill will also be introduced. So, in fact, this will be a, stormy session of the Parliament today. Opposition raising several questions. Not just that, government will also be responding to the questions of the opposition that will be raised in the Parliament today. So all eyes on the Parliament. In fact, what happens in the Lok Sabha after the bill is tabled. Back to you.
Okay, all right, Tejshri, thank you for joining us. A lot expected in the Parliament today, a lot of developments, and we're keeping a track of that. For now, slipping into a quick break. We'll be right back.